Hello students, today in EVS will start a new lesson number 9. The lesson name is Plant Kingdom. Plants means and kingdom means the world of plants. So basically in this lesson we'll learn about different kind of plants and their features. So let's start with the topic. This is your lesson, EVS textbook lesson number 9, Plant Kingdom, page number 56. Let's start out with warming up. Which one is a plant in each of this picture? Tick the correct circle. They have given some picture and you have to tick which one is a plant, the bird or the tree. So you have to tick tree. In this picture, flower and butterfly. So which one is a plant, flower or butterfly? So answer will be flower. So you have to tick flower. Here is a bunny and a carrot. So bunny is a plant or carrot is a plant product? Yes, so you have to take carrot. Here is a girl. And what she is eating? She is eating watermelon. So as we have to, which one is the plant part? So not the girl. So we have to take the watermelon. So you have to do accordingly. You have to take the answer on your textbook. Now we'll move to the lesson. First we'll start with useful plants. We can say plants are our friends because they help us by giving us many things which we need in our daily life. Let us see what all things we get from plants. So we know that plants are our friends because they always help us by giving a lot of things. We get a lot of things from the plants. So here we'll discuss about what we get from the plants. हमें plants से क्या क्या मिलता है? We'll discuss. Food from plants. First we'll learn about what are the foods we get from plants. क्या क्या खाना हमें मिलता है? That is the main we'll learn about in this lesson first. So let's start. Plant is the main source of food that we eat. The main source of our food is plant. Vegetable, fruit, cereals and pulses are some of the food items that we get from plants. See, we get basically all the food item we mostly get from plants. Like vegetables, fruit, cereals and pulse. These are the food items we get from the plants. So let's discuss each and every product, food item, more detail. First one is vegetables. We eat root of plants like carrot, beetroot, radish and turnip as vegetables. There are some vegetables like carrot, beetroot, radish, turnip. We eat them, but which part? The root. उनका जो root होता है उनको हम खाते हैं. We cook them to make curry or eat them raw as salad. हम कभी कभी उनका curry मतलब we made them अच्छे से टेस्ट सब्जी बनाते हैं या तो फिर उनको सलाड, raw salad. Raw means not cook. कच्चा सलाड में भी हम उसको इस्तेमाल करते हैं. यूज देम एज सलाड. सो डू यू नो पोटैटो इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉमनली ईटन वेजिटेबल्स. पोटैटो इज द ओनली vegetable that are used most commonly. Each and every house you will find potato because in each most of the like our like curry or most of the like food we prepare at home we use potato. We eat stem plants like potato, onion and ginger are vegetable. Plants का जो है stem, they have stem मतलब plants जो होते हैं उनका stem ही होता है. उनका fruit like potato, onion and ginger we use them as vegetables. We eat seed of some plants. These are called food grains. Some plants are there we use their seed also. Those are called food grains. Like cereals and pulses are example of food grains. Cereals means अनाज and pulses मतलब cereals अनाज and pulses मतलब जो दाल जैसे होते हैं दाल वो. Example of food grains. Rice, wheat and maize are some of the cereal we eat. Rice, wheat and maize are the cereals. So what are the cereals? Rice, wheat and maize. They form our staple diet. What is diet? Wheat is crushed into powder and made into rotis. Wheat जो होता है गेहूँ उसको हम पीस के क्रस्ट मतलब मेक पाउडर, क्रश करके पीस के पाउडर बना के विल मेक देम रोटी. जो गेहूँ होता है उसमें से वी मेक रोटी. ग्रीन ग्राम, मूंग एंड चना आर सम ऑफ द पल्स. ग्रीन ग्राम, मूंग, चना, दीज आर द दाल, जिससे मैंने आपको बोला था पल्सेस मतलब दाल. इसका हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. इट इज़ वेरी हेल्दी फूड. दिस इज़ वेरी हेल्दी. सो cereals and pulses are they healthy, but like your pulses are more healthy as compared to cereals. Then here some picture of given of vegetables like onion we eat, like onion. This is spinach, potato. Then what are the fruits? Uh, Watermelon, mango, apple. There are other fruits also like you eat pineapple, strawberry. Then these are cereals. Cereals means rice. This is wheat. This is corn. And pulses like this is dal, chana dal. This is green gram, and this is our beans. Now we also get sugar from the juice of the sugar cane stem. जो गन्ना होता है उसके जूस हम पीते हैं. यूजुअली इन द मोस्ट ऑफ द इन द समर टाइम वी ऑल लाइक टू हैव juice of the sugarcane juice. We also make jaggery from the sugarcane plant. Sugarcane का जो plant होता है, what we make from them? We make jaggery. Jaggery means good. We get beverages like tea and coffee from the tea plant. Beverages means drinking liquid that's suitable for drinking, or you can say like a drink. Drink tea, coffee from the tree plant and coffee plant respectively. Tree plants, we get tea from the tree plant, and we get coffee from the coffee plant. We get cocoa from the cocoa plants. Cocoa is used to make chocolate. I hope you all kids like chocolate. So from which the chocolate is made? The chocolate is made from cocoa. So this is a very important point you have to follow. Avoid eating too much sugar to stay healthy. Like you all kids like very sweet product like chocolate, candies, but it is not safe for your health. So you should avoid eating too much. You can eat, but very less amount. So these are the drink. I told you tea, coffee, and this is chocolate made of cocoa. Now we'll learn fiber from plants. First we learn what are the vegetables and what are the product we get from the plant. Then we learn about what other things we get from plant. We get fibers. We get fiber like cotton and jute from plants. Cotton is used to make cotton clothes. Cotton clothes are worn during summer. कॉटन और जो जूट होता है उसमें से भी हमें कहाँ से प्लांट से मिलता है. एंड वी यूज देम फॉर क्लोथ्स, मेकिंग क्लोथ्स बनाते हैं. एंड जो कॉटन क्लोथ्स होते हैं दे आर वेरी लाइट एंड कंफर्टेबल. सो यूजुअली वी वर्न देम ड्यूरिंग समर. दे कीप आवर बॉडी कूल. जूट इज यूज मेक थिंग्स लाइक रोप, बैग्स एंड मैट्स. जो कॉटन होते हैं दे आर वेरी लाइट, आई टोल्ड यू, सो इट कीप्स आवर बॉडी कूल. जूट जो होता है वी यूज टू मेक थिंग्स लाइक रोप. दिस इज ए रोप मेड ऑफ जूट. बैग, रस्सी जो होते हैं, बैग एंड मैट्स हम जो घर पे बिछाते हैं, कारपेट्स वगैरह, दिस आर बेसिकली मेड ऑफ जूट. देन व्हाट? वुड फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. वी ऑल्सो गेट वुड फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. We get wood from plants, trees like sal, shisham and teak. The wood is used to make furniture like table, chair and bed. So mostly we all are using table, chair and bed in our home. So these are made of what? Wood, and that wood we get from the plants. It is also used to make window frame, door and boards. It also we also used wood to make fire for burning. Like in our home, हमारे जो घर पे विंडो फ्रेम होता है, खिड़की होता है, डोर होता है एंड बोट होता है, नदी में जो बोट होता है, these are all made of wood. Like we also use wood for make fire, like during winter to feel hot or to feel warm. What do? We do burning of wood. लकड़ी जलाते हैं, उसमें से हीट होता है तो हमें गर्म अच्छा लगता है ड्यूरिंग विंटर. और खाना भी बनाते हैं गांव में. जो खाना बनाते हैं दे यूज वुड फॉर बर्निंग, कुकिंग एंड कीप आवरसेल्फ वार्म ड्यूरिंग द वेदर, विंटर वेदर, कोल्ड वेदर. आई टोल्ड यू ड्यूरिंग द कोल्ड वेदर वी यूज दिस because it gives us warm to protect us from the cold. Then we'll move what other things we get from plants. Paper. The pulp of wood obtained from some trees is used to make paper. The जो plants होते हैं उनका जो स्टेम से जो पल्प बनता है वो दे आर यूज टू मेक पेपर. दिस इज अ पेपर. Bamboo is also used to make paper. Bamboo trees, I hope you all have seen bamboo trees. So we all use bamboo trees. Bamboo trees is very useful to make paper. Then rubber. We get rubber from the rubber tree. You all are using rubber in your day-to-day life, but do you know that there is a tree of rubber also? Yes, we get rubber from the rubber trees. It is used to make rubber bands, balloons, tire, and eraser. Like your eraser is made of rubber. Daily you are using eraser. Your balloons are also elastic rubber. Your tires of the car and your vehicles. Then rubber bands, like your mother and some girls use rubber band for tying their hair, like hair choti banane ke liye wo. These all are made of rubber, and we get that rubber from the rubber tree. Then gum. We get gum from the fluid excreted by the acacia tree. Excreted मतलब निकलना. किससे निकलता है फ्लूइड? जो acacia tree एक ट्री है. So we get gum from that tree. This fluid is used to make glue. उसमें से जो fluid निकलता है वो पेड़ों में से, we use that fluid to make glue. So we use glues to paste things. Generally in your activity, most of in your activity in EVS and other thing, you use to paste the things. So what you use? You use gum. So we get that gum from the fluid excreted by the acacia tree. This is an amazing fact. The gum we get from the acacia tree is actually a waste product. एक्चुअली जो अकासिया ट्री का जो होता है वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट, मतलब उसको अभी कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं होता है, तो वी यूटिलाइज दैट वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट एंड मेक गम फ्रॉम दैट ट्री, दैट फ्लूइड. देन वी ऑल्सो गेट मेडिसिन फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स लाइक नीम, cinchona, ginger, and clove give us medicine. These are the plants from which we get medicine. What are they? Like neem, cinchona, ginger, and clove. Some are known to cure cold. Like when you get cold, I hope most of our mother use ginger, tulsi, and like your clove to get relief from the cold. सर्दी से बचाने के लिए हमें तुलसी, अदरक ये सब का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So these plants are used as medicine. Some are known to heal wound quickly. आपको जब चोट लगता है तो समटाइम्स हम कब करते हैं, हल्दी का लेप लगाते हैं, कुछ पत्ते होते हैं उनका भी लेप लगाते हैं. सो वुंड मतलब चोट को अच्छे से भरने के लिए. बिकॉज सम प्लांट्स आर एंटीसेप्टिक आर दोज लाइक प्रोडक्ट दे हेल्प टू हील आवर वुंड. हमारे चोट भरने में मदद करते हैं, सुखाने में. सो मोस्टली टर्मिक इज द प्लांट वी यूज टू हील आवर वुंड क्विकली. देन what else we get from the plants? We get perfume, soap, and incense stick. Incense sticks, those are like using for killing insect like mosquito and housefly. Flower of some plants like rose, jasmine, lavender, etc. are used to make soap, perfume, and incense stick. Have you ever think like how the soap, perfume are giving us so beautiful smell? Yes, because it is made of the flowers. Like what is the flower? Rose, jasmine. So these are the flower gives us very nice smell. From that flowers only we used to make soap, perfume, and incense. ये जो flowers होते हैं उनके पंखुड़े इतने अच्छे खुशबूदार होते हैं, और उनके जो पंखुड़े होते हैं, उनके जो पेटल्स होते हैं, उनमें से ही ये सब बनता है. क्या ये आपका सोप बनता है. सोप में कभी कभी सुना होगा आपने रोज की खुशबू आती है, कभी जैस्मिन की, कभी कभी लेवेंडर की खुशबू आती है. और आप घर में भी जो फ्रेशनर यूज़ करते हैं उसमें भी अलग अलग फ्लेवर रहते हैं. तो वो कहाँ से आती है? वी गेट फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स. Plants not only provide us thing, they also add beauty to our surrounding. Plants हमारे क्या होते हैं, खाली हमें मतलब चीज़ नहीं देते, हमारे आसपास के the surrounding of our area it makes beautiful, बहुत सुंदर बनाते हैं. Trees gives us shade on a hot day. When during hot day we used to take rest under the tree because it gives us shade. हम धूप, like in summer what we do, we get shade, छाव लेते हैं हम. Flower are used in holy ritual and as offering God. So in during worship, like during festival, we use flower for our rituals. And for offering God also, भगवान को भी जब चढ़ाते हैं, goddess को, it is also used to decorate. And during festival also for making rangolis and other things, what you do, you used to use flower. फ्लावर भी हम यूज़ करते हैं, फ्लावर लीव्स भी यूज करते हैं कुछ पेड़ों के. इट इज़ गिफ्टेड टू अदर एज बकेट एंड ऑन बर्थडे एंड वेडिंग. लाइक बुके बनाते हैं फ्लावर का, जो होते हैं फ्लोरिस्ट के पास जाके हम फ्लावर बुके बना के बर्थडे में और वेडिंग में गिफ्ट भी देते हैं. सो फ्रॉम वेयर वी गेट दैट फ्रॉम द फ्लावर ऑफ द प्लांट्स ओनली. नाउ ट्रीज ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड शेल्टर टू मैन, animals. In some area the people are used to live in the tree house. And also you know that monkey, yes, monkey, where monkey and owl and birds, so where is their home? Their home is on the tree only. They used to live on the tree only, so it is their house. Shelter means house. Birds build their nest on the tree. Yes, owl live in the hollow of the trunk. Hollow means पेड़ों के जो अंदर जो होते हैं वो तले होता है पेड़ों में, उसमें से वो लोग यूज टू लिव, आउल. Beside all these plants gives us fresh air, which is very important for us to live. Apart from this, plant also gives us a lot of things which are very important, because plant is very important for human life and all the animals also. They keep all the around us clean by taking the dirt air and giving us fresh air. Yes, right. Plant is very friendly, very helping to us. It gives us fresh air, and what are the dirty air, they used to take them, and in return what they give us? They give us very clean and fresh air. Hence we say plant are our friends. So everything we are actually getting from the plants only, but we are not giving anything back to them, but still they are giving us a lot of things, medicine and your fruit, vegetable, fiber, paper, rubber, medicine, all are things we're getting from plants. So plants are our real friend. So do not throw stone at trees. Here is a learning things you have to learn. Do not throw stone at trees. Some bird may have nest on the branches. कभी कभी क्या करते हैं, इन मजाक में हम पेड़ों में पत्थर फेंक देते हैं. नहीं, वी शुड नॉट डू दैट, बिकॉज कभी कभी ऐसे करने से क्या होता है, कुछ प्लांट्स या कुछ पेड़ों में एनिमल्स जो होते हैं या चिड़िया होते हैं अपने घोंसला बनाते हैं, आपके वो स्टोन से उनको चोट पहुंच सकती है. दे कैन गेट हार्म. सो नाउ लेट्स रिकैप. प्लांट इज़ द मेन सोर्स ऑफ आवर फूड. सो हमारा फूड, खाना जो ज़्यादातर खाना हम खाते हैं, उसका सोर्स, व्हाट इज द सोर्स ऑफ दैट? द मेन सोर्स इज फूड. वी गेट फाइबर लाइक कॉटन एंड जूट फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स. जो फाइबर होते हैं, कपड़े बनाते हैं जिसमें हम, उसमें कहाँ से मिलता है? प्लांट से. प्लांट डू नॉट प्रोवाइड अस थिंग्स, दे ऑल्सो एड ब्यूटी टू आवर सराउंडिंग. खाली प्लांट हमें थिंग्स, चीज़ें नहीं देती है, सामान नहीं देती, उसके साथ साथ वो हमारे सराउंडिंग को ब्यूटीफुल, इट ऑल्सो मेक्स आवर सराउंडिंग ब्यूटीफुल. हरा भरा एकदम ग्रीन, इट मेक्स आवर सराउंडिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. ट्रीज ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड शेल्टर टू मेनी एनिमल्स. ट्रीज क्या है? नॉट ओनली गिविंग अस ऑल द थिंग्स, इट ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड शेल्टर. घर बना रहने के लिए जगह देता है. इट प्रोवाइड स्पेस फॉर ऑल मेनी मोस्ट ऑफ द एनिमल्स लाइक बर्ड्स, आउल, मंकी, एज आई टोल्ड यू. Plants gives us fresh air, which is very important. See, for being for a human being, it is very important to get fresh air to be healthy. So from that healthy air, from where we get that healthy air from the plant itself. So we should always thankful to the nature to giving us such a wonderful plant kingdom, so that we all are getting benefited. So this is all about the lesson. I hope you all understand. You can also read the lesson for a better understanding. So thank you.